What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share any file from your Google Drive for people to see it. So first of all, before you watch this video, make sure to subscribe for more regular content. And now this is my Google Drive. I'm in my Google Drive right now and I want to share a file or a folder. So let's share, for example, this file. So first thing you're going to do is right click on the file and click on share. And here, first of all, this is your share link. This is the link that you want to send to someone or anybody to view your file. So first of all, you can have many options to share. First, you can put it as off, where only specific people can access. So when you choose this option, you choose that someone you know or a specific person, okay, can view this file only. So when you put this, you enter the people that you want to share with. You enter their Google names or their email addresses. So you enter their email addresses and you click on done after that. Okay, so here you have the option to allow them to edit it, to comment on it, or to view it. Okay, so let's say can view, that's it. Okay, and you put their emails and for the people that you want to share the file to. So this case is for only specific people can access. Now you can choose another option where anyone can view your file or anyone can comment on your file or anyone can edit your file. Okay, so you choose any of these three options depending on what you want. And let me choose, for example, anyone can only view the file. Okay, and so basically when you copy the link and paste it, okay, on a website or anywhere, that means anyone is allowed to view it. Okay, and what you're gonna do, so whether you choose only specific person or anyone, okay, you just click on copy link and it will automatically copy the link and you go ahead and paste it on another website. Okay, so you can choose to either only for specific people that you know so nobody else can view it, or anybody. Okay, so that's it, and you just click on copy link and paste it anywhere you want. So let me just remind you that only specific people can access. That means that you want to put their Google names or email addresses right here, and you can choose whether they can edit, comment, and view. And the other option is anyone can edit, anyone can comment, or anyone can view. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments down below what would you like me to show you in my next how-to videos. Thank you for watching and take care.